Okay, again, here's some infrared footage. This I did take some of the saturation rate out, brought up the contrast a little bit, and took some of the light away. And again, I have the same problem with the focusing. This camera just does not want to cooperate with me. But one of the things that we know for sure is that if you flash light on water, it reflects upward, not downward. So anything that we're seeing out on the horizon is being obscured by light refraction. It blocks, it conceals, it hides, it does not allow you to see past it. It also is responsible for also cutting off lower portions of boats, buildings, and any other object that could be out there. Now, right now, you are seeing, I'm going to put an arrow here, Cutter's Rock, and I'll just give you a little pointer. Okay, and I know that's very hard to see, but you can see a little dark spot right there. Hopefully, if YouTube don't downgrade the video itself, but actually what you'll see is you'll see this edge start breaking apart, and you'll start seeing the rack, and it almost looks like it is rising up. But this is also part of this mirroring effect that does occur out there, and also the looming or lensing. I should say lensing because people don't like the looming. But right here you can see it as it starts to come into visibility. You'll also start seeing how that edge starts breaking up and it starts becoming more visible. This is what occurs out there. Now, I also think that it is being stretched. It's not that it's rising up, like Globers will say that it is being pulled up over the curvature of Earth. It is not. It is actually being stretched by these mirroring effects that occur. And as you noticed, how that light breaks apart off the top. It's almost like an inversion layer, but it's not an inversion layer because we don't see anything being flipped upside down underneath it. But maybe it would be, because when I compare this to some of my other footage from further up north, on this same very day, you can see an inversion layer occur, or it might not have been on this day, but I know I had one day where the islands north of me, you could actually see them being flipped upside down. The Fata Morgana effect occurs. But again, this is more of a stretched out effect. Matter of fact, my P1000 footage that I did this day showed not only Bill Watts and the Hernando Beach rack getting kind of stretched out. I might do a video on those because I had the footage from before it got stretched out. Earlier when I was there filming it, it wasn't stretched out, and then when I go back to it later on, it is all stretched out. It's different size and different shape. As far as I'm concerned, these are these effects that do cause things to vanish, things to not reveal themselves, things to get hidden. And again, here you see this farther out distant boat going out there. Um, you know, again, my camera is only setting on the seawall, approximately 3 feet above the water. I should not be able to see Cutter's Rock at 11.22 miles from my location at my camera height. So what does this mean? That refraction is taking out all of this big old hump and pulling this everything up, laying it out perfectly flat in front of me. I don't think so, folks. I believe science has reverse engineered what refraction is and turned it around backward on us to promote their global deception. All right, thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helps some people. Again, thanks for watching.